Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is AFHAM Aish bin Abdul Rashid and I am presenting on behalf of Group 2, also known as AMRA Group. Today, we will be working to our software engineering mini project, which is the DriveEasy car rental system. Next, many car rental agencies today still rely on manual paperwork and phone calls to manage their bookings. This lead to a number of serious problems. Vehicle availability is not updated in a real time, so staff have no clear picture of the fleet. Double bookings happen frequently because there is no centralized conflict check. And rental costs are calculated manually, which is low and prone to errors. So, DriveEasy solve all this. Our project will solve all this. Our objective is to provide web-based platform that digitize the entire rental workflow. So, from customer registration and vehicle browsing, all the way to booking, confirmation and fleet management. Next, DriveEasy is built around 5 core features module. First, user authentication. Customer can secure registration account, login and manage their profile. Second, we have a vehicle catalog, a searchable and filterable database showing all available vehicle with pricing and availability. Third, the booking engine, a calendar-based tool where customers select pick up and drop off date and the system automatically calculate the total rental cost. Fourth, admin dashboard. Agency staff can add, edit and delete vehicle or update fleet status and generate rental report. And last but not least, status tracking, so that the system can, every vehicle in the fleet has a real-time status like available, rental or under maintenance or preventing any booking. This is for preventing any booking conflict. So I pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohd Feisal Arif bin Mohd Fauzi. My veteran number is B0324100066. So I will be continuing this part. So looking at our system architecture, we designed a 3-tier web application. The context diagram shows 3 external entities interacting with the DriveEasy system. So the customer send registration, booking and cancellation requests and receive vehicle information and booking information. So the administrator sends vehicle data and status update and receive fleet reports and dashboard statistic. So the email server receives booking confirmation details and sends notification emails to customer. So inside the system boundary, we identify 5 major process. So this process read from and write to 3 data store: the user database, the vehicle database and the booking database. So the architecture form the basis for all our level 0 and level 1 data flow diagram. Okay, to the next slide. So requirement overview. So our software requirement specification documents all system requirements using the IEEE standard format. So we define 7 functional requirements from request function 001 through request function 007. So these cover customer account registration, secure login with role-based routing, the vehicle search engine, double booking prevention, automated rental cost calculation, admin fleet management and real-time status tracking. We also define 5 non-functional requirements covering performance. So page must load within 3 seconds, security using HTTPS and bcrypt password hashing, reliability targeting 99% uptime, usability ensuring a customer can complete a booking in under 5 minutes, and scalability with a database schema ready for multi-branch operation. So that's all. Thank you.
Okay, now next slide is PML and DFD diagram. To model the system completely, we produce a total of 7 analysis models. We start with context diagram, followed by the level 0 DFD, breaking the system into 5 processes. We then proceed the 3 level 1 DFD, expanding the user account, booking, and flat management process in detail. For the UML diagrams, we create a use case diagram covering 13 use cases across customer and admin actors. We produce activity diagram for the 3 most critical workflow: vehicle booking, customer registration, and admin fleet management. The class diagram shows 6 classes with full attribute methods and relationships, including inheritance. Finally, sequence diagram model the booking and login flow step by step, showing every object interaction from the customer's click to the database write. Next slide is project planning. For the project planning, we structure the work across 14-week timeline using 5 phases. Phase 1 cover planning and requirement in week 1 to 3. Phase 2 cover system analysis and UI design in week 3 to 7. Phase 3 was our most intensive phase, full fronted and backed with development from week 7 to 12. Phase 4 was testing and quality assurance in week 12 and 13. And Phase 5 covered deployment and final documentation in week 13 and 14. Each phase was assigned to a specific team member. I'm lead planning and deployment. AFHAM handle analysis and UI design. Faisal owned the full development stack, and AMINUDDIN led testing and documentation.
My name is Mohd AMINUDDIN based on NIZAM. Today I would like to continue the presentation. So for testing, we apply a multi-layered verification strategy. Our primary method is black box testing using equivalence, partitioning, and boundary value analysis to verify all functional behavior from the user's perspective. We then apply unit testing on individual logic modules such as the cost calculation formula and registration validation. Integration testing verify the interaction between connected modules such as the book engine and the vehicle database. Finally, user acceptance testing validates complete end-to-end customer journeys. For cost estimation, we use the basic COCOMO model under organic mode, estimating a project size of 4,500 lines of code. This produces a total estimated commercial development cost of 77,957 ringgit, covering engineering salaries, infrastructure, licensing, project management, and a 10% contingency buffer. So to summarize, I would like to say that DriveEasy is a fully documented web-based car rental management system. We produce a complete IEEE SRS with 22 functional and 5 non-functional requirements. We model the system with 7 UML and DFD diagrams. We plan the project across 14 weeks with a full WBS, Gantt chart, and activity network diagram. We verified the system with black box, unit, integration, and user acceptance testing. The total estimated project cost is 77,957,000 using the COCOMO model. This is the DriveEasy car rental system, replacing manual chaos with a smart, reliable, and scalable digital platform. Thank you for watching. We are happy to answer any question.